everyone, my name is Julia. I'm the head of industrial design at Lotus, and today I'm going to walk you through what you're going to see in the Lotus Kit box, both the different parts and also how to use them. So let's get started. Inside the box, you will see the following. The ring is right here, and it will come in size 8, 10, or 12. The ring charger is right here. And underneath in this cavity, you'll see the USB-C to USB-C charging cord. You're going to use that both to plug into the ring charger and when it comes time to charge the switch covers. Here are the switch covers. We've got 3 of them. Because they have magnets in them, you'll see that they snap together and will sometimes hit each other's buttons. Here they are. And then finally, this is the wall charger that you will connect to the USB-C to USB-C cord and then ultimately into the wall when it's time to charge.